In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use cocoa butter as a hair mask. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave. Also, click the little bell right next to the subscribe button. That way you're always notified and you don't miss out another hair video again. But in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to use cocoa butter as a hair mask. I never even thought to use cocoa butter as a hair mask, but I did, and the results were so beautiful, so amazing. And I wanted to share it with you guys. So here's my jar of cocoa butter. Now this is from Rise and Shine. It's 100% organic and unrefined cocoa butter. It smells like chocolate. Straight up like the best chocolate you could ever eat in your life. It smells so good. And Rise and Shine was so sweet enough to sponsor this video. So I'm really excited to show you guys how this works and how I apply it, and also the results, and also the benefits of using cocoa butter on your hair as a hair mask. Okay, so here is my tub of cocoa butter right here. It is in solid form, so we will have to melt it. Now what I like to do is get a little cup, tiny little cup, and a bowl of hot water. This is really hot water. And then I will scrape some cocoa butter out of here and put it in my bowl and then melt it in the hot water. Now it is a little bit difficult to scrape it out, so you might want to use a knife, but be really careful. But I get these little tiny pieces out of it when I'm scraping it with a spoon, and that's how I'm going to take it out. Okay, so now that I have all of my cocoa butter in here, I'm just gonna drop it into my hot water and wait for that to melt. So once your cocoa butter is all nice and melted, it's gonna basically look like butter, and you can just start to use it. Okay, so now I'm ready to apply the cocoa butter on our hair. Now I don't have any kind of technique to apply it, and I don't like to really focus on the roots when it comes to cocoa butter, because I feel like cocoa butter is something that nourishes a lot of the ends of my hair. So I'm gonna be focusing a lot on the ends. And basically what I'm gonna do is get some cocoa butter in my hands, rub it around just a little bit to melt it even more, and I'm just going to apply it. Make sure that you wear a shirt or something that you're not afraid of getting cocoa butter on it, not afraid to get it messy and dirty. But basically what I do is just focus a lot on the ends, and I'm just gonna saturate my hair with the cocoa butter. Oh my god, you guys, this smells so good. Like, the smell alone, it's like a pamper routine plus a treat plus a reward. It just feels so good. I wish you guys could smell it through the camera. I'm addicted to this smell. But I'm just going to focus on the ends and just apply that all over my hair. Concentrate a lot from here down. And I just take my hair and I kind of just rub it in like this. A lot of people say that this is not good to rub it in like this, but I've been doing it for years and I don't really have a problem. It works really good for me. So I think I melted way too much cocoa butter, but that's okay because it'll freeze back up into its solid state, and then you can either put it back in the jar, or what I like to do is remelt it right after I take a shower and then put it all over my body. Now what cocoa butter does for your hair is that it brings back a lot of life and shine back into it. If you have dry and dull hair, it makes your hair healthier. It's really good for preventing split ends, and it puts a lot of moisture back into your hair. It adds a lot of shine to your hair, makes your hair look glossier once you wash it off. And also something that I've noticed is that it's really good for tangles. So I have a few knots here and there. I don't really brush my hair a lot, and so the knots kind of start building up after a while. But with cocoa butter, I feel like I do the hair mask, I wash it off, and a lot of the tangles are gone, and it makes my hair so soft. So soft. It's unbelievable how soft my hair is when I come out of the shower after doing a cocoa butter hair mask. So basically the ends of my hair are almost all saturated. It didn't take that long at all. The hair really absorbs the cocoa butter. It just eats it all up, it soaks it all up, and I feel like all the nutrients go inside of the hair shafts really quickly. And if you want to, you could do this on your roots, but I don't want to put it on my roots. I don't want to concentrate this on my roots just because it is kind of thick, and I don't really need it in my roots. I might take whatever's left over on my fingertips and then just go in and massage the roots just to help the blood circulate on my scalp a little bit. And then that's it. Basically, that is all I do. When you're done applying it to all of your hair and you're happy with how much it's saturated, and you have all your ends, mainly focus on the ends, what I do is I just tie my hair up in a bun like this. Sorry, I have a mirror right here. But I tie my hair up in a bun like this and I go on about my day. Like right now, I'm just gonna go and do a little bit of cleaning. I'm going to set up and organize my room a little bit. So it's gonna be in my hair for about another 2 to 3 hours. And then I'm gonna wash it off and then I'll come and show you guys the after result. Okay, so it is the next day. I have no makeup on because today I'm basically just editing all day. So there's no need for me to put makeup on. I'm in my lounging clothes. If you guys can see, it's just so soft. Like if you guys could feel my hair right now, it's so soft and I can actually run my fingers through it. The shine came back in my hair. There's a lot of noticeable shine in my hair. There's a lot of like flowiness and bounce, and it's just really soft to the touch. I also like that it tamed all of the frizz. It also brought out the color, and I just really love how the light reflects off of my hair now. It made it really, really like glossy, shiny. There's no flyaways, there's no frizz. It's very, very manageable. All the knots came out. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful and found it helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and browse through my channel for a lot of other hair masks that I've done. I've done pumpkin hair masks. I have done coconut oil, almond oil. I've done a lot, aloe vera. So be sure to check those out. And if you're interested in how I cut my own hair and color my own hair, I have those videos also available. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.